Hey everybody, welcome back to FinBear channel. Today we're going to go over Carnival Corporation. Its ticker is CCL. You guys all know it as Carnival Cruise Lines. The cruising industry is coming back. More people are being vaccinated. More people are ready to go. I believe Hawaii's tourist numbers have skyrocketed because people just can't get out fast enough, and I know that people want to get back on their cruise ships. Carnival Cruise Line has a very strong fan and support base. Also, you get some perks if you're a shareholder. If you own over 100 shares of Carnival Cruise Line, you get onboard credit every time you cruise. Who doesn't love that? I wish I had bought more than 10, but I didn't know that then. Especially when it was like, I think it was at $10 or just a little bit above $10 when I bought. I bought it right at the crash in March. So here it is on the weekly chart pattern. As you can see, it took a nose dive in March. And interestingly enough, it had already been in a descension since then. The March dive just kind of helped it get to where it was going quicker, which actually I think is an awesome thing for us because now it can rebuild and grow. This big drop also gave it the opportunity to get some government assistance that it probably was not qualified for during all this. So now we see inverse action from what was going here. We see trend going up. Now, in fairness, some could say this quite possibly could be a bearish pendant or bearish flag. Most people are familiar with that because when price is going up and you see it do this down the side, it's a bullish pendant because normally when it does a sharp increase and this kind of momentum down, then price is going to go up again. There is a possibility based off the chart that price could then continue to find a lower low. I personally don't believe so because I think fundamentally and sentiment-wise, they're going to start making more money again. Hopefully it'll be enough to keep them afloat for a very long time. They are the largest cruise line to my knowledge, and they're that for a reason. So here we are steadily increasing, making new higher highs, higher lows, and so forth. That has me excited. As you can see here, RSI just took a little bit of breather. Is this divergence? I don't know. We will have to see what happens in the next 2 weeks, see what happens here. If RSI continues to go up, it's not divergence. If RSI goes down and goes lower than this, then yes, we are going to go down a smidge. But let's see if we can zoom in. We've had 4 weeks of growth, 4 weeks of price growth. As you see here, we had some good price growth here, but what I also am seeing is we had consolidation and we're busting a move upward. So I think there's still going to be a little bit more movement up before we see more consolidation and possibly a dip down. That is on the weekly candles. Now we have the hourly. Hourly, we see where it has dipped down, where RSI even showed a little bit of that divergence going down. What I also see here in the RSI is a W, which is also a good sign. And you have on the stotch the W, and it's going upward. If the stotch goes above this and then crosses over, that tells me that we're going to continue some upward momentum and no more sideways channeling. I am bullish short-term, I'm bullish long-term on this. Let's see here, we have touched down the Bollinger Band here. We're not hitting the red. If we pass the red and go up to the green up here, then I'll be excited because it will probably touch down the red, but then continue riding up, and that makes me excited as well. Volume is doing decently. It is above the average, but I'm seeing a little bit more red than green lately. I would have to check the Ortex to see the short interest data on it. We can do that tomorrow after market opens. That is my rundown on Carnival Cruise Lines. Please let me know what you thought. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please share with your community. That way we can all learn and grow together and eat together. Have an amazing day. Have an awesome trading week coming up. Do great things, and let's go make some money.